but they come like this in here. I haven't opened them yet, but I've got to do this video so I can get to using them. Alright, let's move the box out of the way. So they come in this plastic. I'm sorry about the noise. I'll try to cut it out. Okay, so I believe I got the 48 one, the 48 with the colorless blender. Let's see. It comes with the sheet to put under your page, but it's very small, so I don't know how well that's gonna help. So we got that. We got our little pamphlet, and we got our swatch sheets. I'm not gonna swatch these today. If y'all want me to swatch them, that's fine. Other people have already swatched them already, so if y'all want me to, I will. So that's that, and then you get all these beautiful colors here. What I was gonna do is I wanted to try coloring in my stained glass coloring book from Dover and see how well these markers do. So just let me pause this real quick and I'll get the book in a cardstock. Okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna get the book. The Sailing Ships stained glass coloring book. It's a Dover coloring book by John Green. I'm just going to see how the markers will do on the picture. So I got my cardstock under there. So let's see, we'll need a blue for the water here. Let's see what boat this is. This is the Egyptian galley. See, I don't know if I want to do the Egyptian one. Let's do this one here. Let me move my markers. Let's do this one, because this one's got a pyramid there, so that's going to be brown and stuff. Let's do this one. It's got the water and the sun. Grab the markers. Let's see if I can get that in frame there. So the sun's right there. Let me see if I can grab a yellow. Got this sunflower. This is the Y2. We got the brush tip. They're hard to open. And a chisel. I think I'm going to use the brush tip. It's going on nice. Now this is the first time I've used the Ohuhu markers. Maybe I should have used the chisel tip. Oh yeah, I like that. Let's see if I can bring it closer. That bright yellow. So I'm just gonna do the lines here, yellow as well. The sun rays. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's try a different color. That way you can see some. I probably won't finish this picture on here, but I wanted to see if the markers worked on there. Let's find a blue and get the ocean. So we got a few blues. We got a few blues in here. It's like a pastel one. I'm gonna get the darkest one I see in here. That's a Crucian blue. That one. And we'll do the water. Let's try the broad chisel. Just gonna turn the page. And try to skip over that part, or maybe, I don't know if I can make that white or anything, but maybe I can make it a lighter color blue or something. Yeah, that looks nice. I'll make it a little brighter. I don't know if that makes it brighter or not, but it puddles up on the page where I stopped. Yeah. That looks good. I'm just gonna leave these colors out and finish the page afterwards. Let's see, we can pick a dark brown maybe, and then a light brown for the sail. So we got those browns. There's a terracotta, but I think that's more of a red. I'm not sure because I haven't swatched my markers yet. Okay, let's use the darker one, the raw umber, on the ship here. And that's the chisel side. Let's do this. Yeah, that's a nice brown. See if it makes it darker if I go over it again. See, it just seems like it's puddling up, but maybe if I only did it once, it wouldn't puddle up. But it hasn't went through on my cardstock at all, so it's staying on the top of the page, which that's kind of nice. But it just makes it easier to see what I'm coloring with the cardstock down. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, I'm just gonna try to speed color. I'll probably speed this up so you can see the rest of the picture colored in. Okay? So I'm just gonna finish coloring the ship. It kind of puddles up there when I stop, so I think that's just the paper I'm using. I'm not sure. Let me know if y'all's puddle up at the end of your stroke. Maybe I'm pressing down too hard on them. So I'm just gonna leave the waves white. And the cloud white. Let's do the sail. Move this upside down. Salmon pink. Let me pull you out some so you can see the whole picture again. There you go. It's my finished picture. They did okay. There is some streaking. I went over it a couple times to see if it would streak if I went over it again, and it did right there on the corner there, but you can't really tell it in the camera. But they did go over this paper really good, and it didn't leak through on my cardstock at all. So they work really good, and it will probably look really nice in the window. So I don't know if I'm going to take them out of the book or not. Now I will be coloring in this book again in September to color a boat for the prompt for Azaree's hashtag Wells in September and hashtag Spring in September. But one of the prompts is a boat, so I'll be doing a boat in here in September as well. And I just want to say thank you for watching my videos, and welcome to all the new subscribers I've had. Thank you.